Hello everyone and welcome once again to today's session on Market Ki Baatein. Today was an exciting day as markets did its best to keep the bullish momentum up, and I'm sure that many of you out there are looking forward to some bullish prospects which are there in the market. And the way the market is behaving does give everyone a confidence that yes, it is possible to be a part of this entire bullish momentum. I'm just waiting for people to join in. Yes, welcome entrepreneur. That's what is your ID right now. So how has been the market? Today's question is interesting, and I am asking you whether the confidence which you have in the market is arising out of your strategies. What do you feel? Hi Shafi. Hi Akshay. Hi Sundar. Welcome to today's session. Yes, from where does your confidence arise? Does your confidence arise from the strategies? Today's question is whether you get the confidence to trade the markets convincingly from your strategies. That's what is today's session. Today's question is about whether you generate confidence from your strategies or whether you have something else apart from strategies to generate confidence for yourself. So what is your opinion? We are not talking about Bank Nifty. We will discuss about Bank Nifty and its prospects towards the end of the show. Now my question is, from where do you generate the confidence? From where do you generate the confidence to look into the markets? Do you generate confidence from your strategies? If I give you a strategy which is working perfectly, would that be enough? That's what is my question today. And when you look at the markets overall, strategies by itself will never give you that confidence. And why am I saying that? Because strategies are a set of rules. How you act on those rules are very, very important. And that's why, along with strategies, you also need to have an action plan. Because strategies by itself will not give you the confidence. So that's why I asked you all the question that what generates the confidence in you, whether it is only the strategies or whether there is something more along with it. So each time my question in Market Ki Baatein is not about a particular stock or it's not about a particular strategy which I am discussing. I am discussing how are you approaching, what is your mindset and how you are going forward and taking a trade. And that's why it is very important. So how many of you out there are actually using strategies? Do you have a set of strategies? Do you approach the market? Do you trade the market with some strategies, or are you trading randomly? That's what is very important. So because every time you go into the market, if you are approaching it without any plan, then you will always see that yes, it is not generating a decent returns for you. And when that begins to happen on a consistent basis, you will begin to see that you are beginning to lose in confidence. And when you start losing in confidence, then how much ever good the strategy may be, you will never be able to generate the kind of confidence. And that's why it is very important to have strategies, and then you should have an action plan on those strategies. And when action plan and strategies get together, they will be able to generate a positive result for you, and that positive result you will be able to generate confidence from those set of positive results. So it is important, yes, you stick to your rules when it meets my requirement, correct? So that's what most of the people try to do, and that's what they are doing. They are trying to stick to the rules, but then it may so happen that market is not aligned to your rules. Market has its own rules. So when market has its own rules, you need to understand that yes, I had planned A is not working right now, so now let's go and see if I can implement plan B. But if my plan B I'm unable to execute, then you should definitely reconsider participation. But what really happens? Hi Rupesh, hi Jaideep. What really happens as part of this entire market participation is that when my plan A does not work, I start doing some random things, and that's what creates problem for us. And because we do such kind of activities, we are never able to generate consistent return for ourselves. If you recall, every time I'm focusing upon what kind of returns you need to generate, what kind of activities which you need to pursue, how you should be looking at the markets. So market ki batein is about how we will engage with the audience and how we will show them how you should look at the market in a better perspective. Because the confidence which we always need confidence, right? We are always seeking for confidence so that we are able to generate a return for ourselves. But confidence comes later. First you need to have clarity. Like for example, if you recall, and for those who have watched my video today, I had planned on how the market outlook is there for the entire week. If you have not seen it, you can go ahead and take a look at it on YouTube. You can visit my channel on YouTube, and on our channel we have put a video on how is the index set, and Nifty IT was considered to be one of the main indices that could actually help the market retain the positive momentum. So one should have also a broader outlook on what are the indices doing, so that you can plan yourself. That's why I was able to plan myself and I was ready for the market. And when you're ready for the market, you will be able to take the right kind of strategies, and when you start using those kind of strategies, you will be able to generate consistent results for yourself. Because when you talk about strategies, there are different kinds of strategies. I'll touch upon it on some other discussion, but then generally there are breakdown strategies, there are breakout strategies, there are mean reversion strategies, there are pullback strategies, there are swing strategies, so momentum strategies. So various types of strategies are there, and unless and until you are aware about the market scenario, unless and until you are clear about how the market is shaping up, it will be very difficult for you to apply the strategy. And when you are not able to apply the right kind of strategy, you will not be able to make money, right? So when you are not able to make money, the automatic conclusion is that I am unable to participate in an effective manner. So that's why today's question, for those who have joined in right now, my question was whether your confidence in trading the market is arising out of your strategy. So what do you guys feel? So people who have joined in the session after a few minutes, today's market ki batein question is whether the confidence in your market approaches arises only out of your strategies. So Rupesh says yes, it arises only out of the strategies, and that's why I am contesting that point here, that strategies by itself is not enough. Strategies are good, but if you want to make money consistently and also have the confidence to deal with any kind of market, you need to have strategies, you need to have a plan for executing the strategies. If you have a plan for executing the strategies, then only you will be able to make money. And once you start making money consistently, you will grow in confidence. So all this goes hand in hand, but then you need to have the right kind of sequence. And when you have the right kind of sequence, you will be able to tune yourself with the market action, because market is continuously evolving. It's trying to show us new pathways. No one expected markets to go up till 11,000, right? The kind of volatility which we saw, markets have moved all over the place. But then, despite every possible push to the downside, if you see my video, I have said that markets are looking quite positive, and unless and until key threshold levels of 10,500 is not broken on the downside, we could look for some positive upward traction. And from all the indices, in every session which I do, I give a ranking. So I have an update. So I do a weekly update at the start of the week, gives you the roadmap for the week. Then every day I come up with the weekly analysis of how you can plan your next day. So do sign in and do subscribe to my channel on YouTube. It's called Chart Advice Profits for You, and you will see that there is wealth of information available that can transform the way you are approaching the market. Many of you out here are already members of our YouTube channel. You can go there and take a look as to how I have analyzed the market. So that's how you can build your strategy. So your strategy is a result of how you are able to look at the market. So strategy is something that tells you how you can act, and if you have a plan to act, you will be able to generate the right kind of confidence. So that's what every day my question is an introspective one, where you can investigate into your thinking, into your behavior, into your approaches, because discussing about option chain etc., there are other sets of videos which I will be doing, but this video is focusing on how you need to approach yourself, how you need to approach your practices, and how you need to approach the entire area of trading or investing. So yes, how to gain confidence in trading? Yes, that's a very good question which everyone wants to know. And to generate the confidence in trading, what you need to do is first get your basics right. Your basics need to be very clear. What do I mean by basics? Basics of stock market, basics of trading, basics of investing. Because many people think that markets is all about buying and selling. Yes, it is about buying and selling, or selling and buying. It doesn't matter. What really matters is how you approach it. It is just like a relationship, for example. A relationship is not formed overnight. You got to build it, right? It can be before marriage, it can be after marriage, it can be with your parents, it can be with your brother, sister, it can be anyone. That relationship is built over time. In the same way, you need to build that kind of symbiotic relationship with the chart reading or with fundamental analysis. It doesn't matter. We believe that building a relationship with the charts is easier, and that's why I do various kinds of workshops where I help people understand the concept of technical analysis, help them understand the concept of chart reading, and I show them how you can build a relationship, how you can talk. Like right now, I'm talking to you guys. After some time, I'll be talking to the charts. After some time, I'll be talking to some people. So that's how I go about. I come online to share my view. I come online to share my opinion. I come online to show people how you can engage. Engagement is not necessary only with the people. Engagement can also be with the charts. And to do that, you need to get guided by someone who has been there in the markets for a very long time. And I'm thankful that I've been in the market for more than 15 years. I've been happily married with a loving wife, and I have an energetic son who is enthusiastic just like the markets, and they all keep me involved and engrossed in the market, and that's how I am able to continuously seek out opportunities, continuously engage with the people, and that's how I am able to show people the pathway to profits. So today's question was about whether strategies can give you the confidence. The answer is strategies alone, it's not enough. If you want confidence to trade actively to trade in a way in which you can generate profit day after day, you got to step inside the market pit and with the kind of action plan. If you don't have an action plan, then you can always get overrun by the various kind of market volatility. Volatility is not going to go away. We'll deal with volatility some other day. I'll talk about various kinds of approaches on that. But today we are talking about from where do you draw the confidence to go inside the market and trade it in a way in which you will be satisfied. So that was my question. So anyone from the audience has got any question on this particular topic? Today's question was, does confidence arise only from strategies, or are there any other avenues where you can look for confidence? Some of the people have voted yes, some of the people have voted no. So I am on the side of no, that confidence does not arise only from strategies. You need to have a certain kind of approach, you need to have a certain kind of plan, and when that two, both of them begins to act together, that will lead you to a continuous confidence exercise. Yes, Bhupendra, very true. It will come from practice. Very right. So many people have strategies. Many of you are now visiting many types of webinars. You are getting a lot of strategies. Some of you have already been proficient. Some of you are already active traders. All of you have got strategies. But strategies रखने से आपको confidence नहीं आएगा. Right? Strategies are there. You are here. How will you both meet together? आप और स्ट्रैटेजीज तब मिल सकते हो जब आपके पास कोई प्लान हो, और प्लान जब तक नहीं बनेगा जब तक आप कुछ मेहनत नहीं करोगे. व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय मेहनत? यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट मार्केट कैसा है, व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन इन द मार्केट, इज इट गेटिंग ओवर हीटेड, is it in a range bound condition, what is the scenario, whether should I buy now, whether should I sell now. So these are all the questions which you should be ready with, and that's what is very, very critical. And then once you are clear about all this, and then you start practicing your strategies. So when you come to the topic of practicing strategies, you should understand that if you have numerous strategies, you will never be able to deploy them. So the best way is select 2 to 3 strategies that suits your personality. Because a strategy suits me, it doesn't mean that that same strategy can be applied by someone else. So you need to have a strategy that is in alignment with your personality. अगर आपके पर्सनालिटी के हिसाब से अगर वो स्ट्रैटेजी आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देती है तो वो स्ट्रैटेजी ज़रूर करना चाहिए. So all these elements are critical, and that's how you will be able to generate the confidence. Because confidence is not going to arise from the money. Confidence is going to come from the process, and like Bhupendra said, प्रोसेस प्रीसीड्स द प्रैक्टिस. मतलब प्रैक्टिस के पहले प्रोसेस आएगा. अगर आप रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको पैसा आएगा. और ये जो चीज़ है प्रोसेस, प्रैक्टिस और प्रॉफिट्स, ये जब ज़्यादा होने लगेंगे तब जाकर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. सो स्ट्रैटेजीज, सिर्फ स्ट्रैटेजीज रखकर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आने वाला है. इफ़ यू वांट कॉन्फिडेंस देन यू नीड टू डू द प्रोसेस, प्रैक्टिस is equal to profits equation every day. If you are a day trader, if you are a multi-day trader, 2 to 3 times in a week, that's how you need to practice it, and that's how you will be able to have a good overview about the market, as well as you will be able to have a good overview about the strategy. And then you will not indulge in what I asked in the last week, whom do you blame for any loss in the market. I am not asking about profits, because nobody blames anyone in profits. Everyone finds someone to blame when they are in loss. So that was my take for today. I hope you liked what I shared today. Stock specific Q&A, I'll be coming down with a stock specific Q&A, and we will talk about it in a different mode. But this market ki baatein is about introspecting into various elements that impacts our trading, our investing, our thinking. So I would like you all to take a review at the questions which we are sharing every day as a post. Subscribe to our YouTube handle, subscribe to our Instagram handle, subscribe to our Facebook handle, because we are sharing various kinds of insights about the market, and we want you all to benefit from our experience and the way we are presenting the content in a beautiful and simplistic manner. Yes, I am a Tamil, I am a Tamilian, and I am a proud Tamilian because I believe that everyone is happy with their religion, so I am happy with mine. At the end of the day, in the market, a South Indian, a North Indian doesn't matter. What matters is whether you are able to read the markets in a structured way, and I have been able to do it, and I keep sharing that approaches, those kind of things in my training workshop. And for those who are looking forward to enhance their knowledge, you could take a look at a workshop which we are doing. It's beginning this week. It's called 7 Steps to Financial Freedom. You can take a look at how I will be doing it over a month, and I'll be showing you how to analyze the markets, how to understand the markets, how to use various kinds of strategies. There will be intraday strategies, there will be multi-day strategies, and all these approaches are designed to give you the kind of confidence to look at the market and also look at your approaches. So all these things are designed in a way in which every trader, every investor can benefit. So the link of this particular program is available as part of our bio. You can take a look at that, and if you need any more details, you can also directly message me on Instagram. I will be happy to respond to you. Thank you for being part of today's session. Tomorrow's question will again be an interesting one and a interrogative one. So do think over it and do comment on today's video as well, and do comment on tomorrow's post as well, because I want you all to participate and I want you all to share your questions. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Have a good day.